Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel, Gaijin World! And for today's video, ayan, kasama ko ang aking wife, si Maureen, dahil siya ay magtitake ng driver's licensure exam dito sa Japan. So, tulungan natin siya at kayo din. Tulungan din natin yung ating mga sarili na mag-practice ng exam. So, gagawin nyo lang, doon sa mga bago dito sa ating channel, gagawin nyo lang, sasagutan nyo lang kung true or false yung mga questions na ilalabas natin dito. Kaya, simulan na natin. Yan, ready ka na ba, Han?
Wala pa akong review.
Yan, so ito na nga yung magandang way para i-review natin. Okay, so simulan na natin. Ayan, ito ang question number 1 natin.
May timer ba yan?
Yes, may timer siya. Ayan, 27 minutes. When a traffic signal for cross-traffic turns red an intersection, the traffic signal ahead is always green. When a traffic signal for cross-traffic turns red at an intersection, the traffic signal ahead is always green. So, ano daw ang ibig sabihin yan? Kapag yung traffic signal dun sa intersection, let's say nasa harapan mo is red, yung kabilang side niya is always green.
Okay, correct.
So, is it true or false?
True.
True or false?
True nga.
True? Okay, let's see if this is true. Okay, so number 1, when a traffic signal for cross-traffic turns red at an intersection, the traffic signal ahead is always green. So, mali yung sagot sa number 1.
Bakit?
Kasi, when a traffic signal or for cross-traffic turns red at an intersection, the traffic signal ahead is always green. Kapag daw red yung signal sa intersection, yung traffic signal ahead is green. Always green daw. Mali daw ito kasi the traffic signal ahead is not always green even when the traffic signal for cross-traffic turns red. Tanda mo na hindi palaging green yung nasa unahan mo.
May yellow.
Pwedeng may yellow, siguro. The traffic signal ahead is not always green. Okay, question number 2. The arrow shown in figure indicates the correct way to execute a right turn. Is this true or false? The arrow shown in the figure.
Ano sa gilid?
Ito. Layatan natin. Yan. The arrow shown in the figure indicates the correct way to execute a right turn. Pag ganun daw. Ayan. Tamang pag-execute daw ng right turn. Mula dito, papunta dun sa kabilang side ng intersection. So, is that true or false? Tingin mo.
Sa akin, true kasi hindi naman siya two lane.
Okay. So, let's try this one. True daw yan. Yeah. So, ang sagot sa number 2 ay mali din daw ata ang sagot mo doon. Kasi the arrow shown in the figure, itong figure na to, yan. This figure, yan. The arrow shown in the figure indicates the correct way to execute right turn. Yan daw correct way. So, ang tamang sagot daw dyan ay ito. So, ang sagot dyan ay false. Kanina false din ang sagot. A vehicle must move to the center of the road initially before executing a right turn. Kailangan mo na mag-move. Di ba kapag tumatawid tayo, ito, pag tumatawid tayo dito, di ba dito ako nag-i-stop? Kasi kailangan ko muna maghintay dito. So, hindi ako dumidiretsyung ganyan. So, the arrow shown in the figure indicates the correct way to execute right turn. A vehicle must move to the center of the road. Move ka muna center. Initially before executing right turn. Hindi ka dire-diretso. Yun ang ibig niya sabihin.
Mag-stop ka muna dun sa
Center.
Okay.
Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. A sign as shown in the figure indicates that it is prohibited to proceed in the direction of the arrow. Ano sa tingin mo? Yung direction daw na ito. Is this true or false? A sign as shown in the figure indicates that it is prohibited to proceed in the direction of the arrow. Bawal daw mag-ganyan, mag-U-turn. Kapag may ganitong sign, no U-turn.
Yes, correct.
So, correct. Bawal, no?
Bawal.
Okay. Tama ang sagot mo sa number 3. A sign, itong sign daw na ito, number 3, a sign as shown in the figure indicates that it is prohibited to proceed in the direction of the arrow. Bawal. Tama yan na bawal mag-proceed doon sa direction of the arrow. Ibig sabihin, bawal mag-U-turn. This is a no U-turn sign and prohibits proceeding in the direction of the arrow. Number 4, it is important for drivers not to be selfish, but to have a give and take spirit to consider others and respect pedestrians and or other drivers. Gusto niyo?
True, syempre.
Okay, true yan. Siyempre, true yan. Okay?
24 minutes na lang.
Number 4, tama din sagot mo dito. It is important for drivers not to be selfish, but to have a give and take spirit. No, parang relasyon lang yan. To consider others and respect pedestrians and or the other drivers. True yan, true.
True.
Kasi this is an attitude required for a driver. Okay. Sana lahat sa yung mga driver ganyan, no?
Imposible.
Yeah, next question. A driver may proceed while decelerating the vehicle's speed from 50 kilometers to 20 kilometers on a road where a traffic sign as shown in the figure is displayed. Is this true or false? A driver may proceed while decelerating. Kapag may nakita araw ganito, ano ibig sabihin yan? Related sa speed yan? Decelerating the vehicle speed from 50 to 20 kilometers on the road where a traffic sign as shown in the figure is displayed. Is this true or false? Ibig sabihin, mag-slow down ka, di ba?
Oh.
From 50 to 20 down. So, true or false?
Warning sign kasi yung triangle. Baka true. Go!
So, true. Tingnan natin kung true. A driver may proceed while decelerating the vehicle's speed from 50 kilometers to 20 kilometers on a road where a traffic sign as shown in the figure is displayed. So, ang tamang sagot daw dito ay Batsu. Kasi ang 20 kilometers is not an appropriate speed for slowing down. So, ibig sabihin, mas mababa pa sa 20. Oh, pag nakita mo tong slow down na to, mas mababa pa sa 20 dapat yung i-slow mo. So, ang sagot dyan ay false.
Teka. Dapat pag slowing down talaga 10.
Oo, mga ganun, diba? Mababa pa sa 20. Okay?
Pero slowing down yung sign na yan, diba?
Slow down.
Okay. Go.
Ayan, question number 6. If an emergency vehicle is approaching on a location that is not an intersection or near an intersection, vehicles proceeding towards that location must move to the left side of the road and come to a stop in order to give way to the emergency vehicle. Kapag daw ang emergency vehicle ay approaching doon sa location na hindi intersection or near an intersection, ang mga vehicles daw na magpo-proceed towards the location must move to the left side of the road and come to a stop in order to give way to the emergency vehicle. So, ang
correct.
Ano mo dito is not an intersection. Kapag hindi ka na sa intersection
Gigilid
or
ka.
near, gigilid ka sa left side of the road. Okay? Correct? Okay. Let's...
Pagtitin na lang, Alfredo. Number 6 pa lang tayo.
Okay, question number 6. Ang tamang sagot daw dito, if an emergency vehicle is approaching at a location that is not an intersection or near an intersection, vehicles proceeding towards the location must move to the left side of the road and come to a stop in order to give way to the emergency vehicle. Ang tamang sagot daw dyan ay false. Kasi there's no need to stop. There's no need for vehicles to stop. Kasi
to the left lang.
If an emergency vehicle is approaching a location that is not an intersection, na nasa parehas na linya lang, pag ganun, near an intersection, vehicles proceeding towards that location must move to the left of the road and come to a stop. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-stop. Kailangan mo lang
kailangan mo lang mag-give way.
Yan, give way ka lang. There's no need to stop daw. Yan. There is no need for vehicles to stop. So, ang tamang sagot dyan ay false. Ayan guys, I hope nagustuhan nyo itong video na to. Kung nagustuhan nyo, like, share, and subscribe. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na. Ikaw naman ang magsalita. I-hit nyo yung
notification bell
para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga susunod pang i-upload ng mga videos at sa iba pa mga topics namin related sa pamumuhay namin dito sa Japan. Puntahan nyo aming YouTube homepage, click nyo yung playlist dahil marami kaming playlist dito na makakatulong sa inyong pamumuhay dito sa Japan. Thank you so much again for watching. This is Alan and Mau. We will see you on our next video. Huwag niyong kalimutan i-check yung mga videos na lalabas ngayon dito sa screen. Bye!
Bye!